Welcome back to another tutorial, and in this lesson we're going to look at the ripple edit tool. Now, if you know, when you hover over a clip and you click and drag this little red thingy, it will clip your clip and it will make it shorter or longer depending on your specifications. But now, one thing you'll notice that it always leaves a space. So if you come here again and try doing that, it will leave this blank space. Now, let's say you want to make the same edit, but you do not want to leave those gaps in between. What you'll do is you click over here and select the ripple edit tool. Now, the ripple edit tool will allow you to clip your videos. So as you can see, I'm clipping them, I'm shortening the duration, but it will automatically move the rest of the clips to the left in order to fill in the gap. Again, if I try it with this one, if I come over here, you can see it will move every other clip in order to fill in the gap. So I won't have any gaps left in between. But if I was to use the red clip tool, like so, you can see I'll be left with a big gap. So that's one tool that will come in handy as you're editing. Then another smart tool is the rate stretch tool. Now, with the rate stretch tool, what it does, it either increases the speed or reduces the speed of your video. So let's first look at this. So let's play the video from here to here. So you can see the speed at which the video will play. Now, if I come over here, select the rate stretch tool, and we stretch it out. So I'm just going to select this and move it. So I select this tool, the rate stretch tool, and I stretch the video out like so. If I play it, you can see how slow it's going to be. So anytime you stretch out a video, it's going to be slow. But let's try contracting it back. So let's just do this and make it really small like so. Let's play it. You'll see how fast the video is. So if I stretch it out, the video is going to be super slow, but if I shorten the video, it's going to be really fast. So you can use this when you're editing your videos to decide how fast or how slow you want your videos is, and it's a really handy tool to use. It's the rate stretch tool, and the shortcut is R, and with the first one, the ripple edit tool, the shortcut is B. So feel free to go ahead and use the shortcuts as you edit.